evening, students. Welcome to Home Science Education. We are discussing the exercise 6.4 of class 8. Okay, the chapter is square and square roots. So, this is the question number 1. That is, find the square root of the following numbers by long division method. Okay, we use the long division method to find the square root of the following numbers. There are many number of bits. Okay, there are 12 bits are given, but the first bit is, that is 2304. We have to find the square root of this by long division method. Okay, so that is my first step is what? That is the pairing, placing the bar. After pairing, placing the bar from the right hand side. Okay, from right hand side I got pair and place the bar. Then I have to find the divisor. Okay, so we have to find the divisor. The divisor is what? That is the square. The divisor must be this number. That square is equal to 23 or less than 23. Okay, so I have to take in such number that its square must be equal to 23 or less than 23. Okay, so think a number, that is, just find a number close to 23, which is a square number, not greater than, not the less than. That is 16. That is square of 4. So I have to take in the 4 as a divisor. So 4 4s are how much? That is 16. That is 7. Remainder is 7. Then we have to find the next dividend. Clear? So next dividend is, that is 04 is bringing down. Clear? Then double the divisor. Then the next step is double the divisor, that is 8, and we have to put a number such that it can be multiplied with this number. This is also the same number. If we put here 5, also we have to put here 5. So the number put here and multiply, the product is either less than this number or equal to this number. Okay, so we have to find a number that can be multiplied in such a way. Okay, so here 4, so either 2 multiplies 4 or see 2 8 is 16, no, then 8, yes or no? So 8 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 8 is 64, 6 70. So we got 8. Clear? Because see, here the unit digit is what? 4. So if unit digit is 4, it is either multiplication of 2 or multiplication of 8. So here I put 8 first, then I test and I get 164, which is very less than the 704. But when I multiply 8, I got the same result, that is 704. So I have to put 8 here, here also 8. That is 704. So that is my question. Remainder is 0 and question becomes 48. And so I stop the division and I conclude that the question is the square root of this number. Okay. So I can write square root of 2304 is equal to 48. Clear? So this will be your answer of first bit. Okay. So then we go to the next bit. So the next bit is bit number 2, that is square root of 4489. Okay. So by long division method, first we have pair, then place bar, then find the divisor, that is 44, close number is 36, that is square root of 6. So I have taken 6 as my first divisor, that is 6 6 is 36, then remainder is 8. Then bringing down the next number 89, that is 889, next dividend. So I can find the and double the divisor, 6 2 is 12, and find such a number that can be multiplied here to give this number or less than this number, and I can multiply 7 and put it 7. I can find 889. Okay, and the remainder will be 0. So if I get once the remainder will be 0, then the quotient will be my square root. Okay, so this is your answer. Clear? So the next bit is bit number 3, that is 3481. Okay, so from right hand side I got pair and place the bar. Then I have to start from the extreme left, that is 34. I have to find the such a number that such a square number that is either less than or equal to 34, but 36 is greater than 34. So I have taken 25 as the next the previous square number, that is square of 5. So my divisor will be 5. That is 5 5 are 25. Then remainder is 9. Clear? Then bringing down the next number, that is 981. Then double the divisor, that is 10, and put 9 here, because this multiplication is great similar to the this number. Okay, so this remainder will be 0, and after getting the remainder as 0, so the quotient will be my square root, that is square root of 3481 is equal to 59. Clear? So the next question is next bit, that is 5 to 9. Okay, so I put a bar from the right side. Then first number is 5 from the extreme left. So 2 square is 4, that is less than 5. Okay, so I have taken divisor as 2. Clear? So 2 2s are 4. My remainder will be 1. Then I am bringing down the next number, that is 29. So 129 will be my new dividend. So then double the divisor, that is 4, and put such a number that the multiplication is same as or equal to, same as or less than. So I put 3 and got the same result, that is my remainder will be 0. So after remainder will be 0, the quotient is my square root. Clear? So 5 to 9, the square root of 5 to 9 is 23. Okay, clear? So the next bit is bit number B, that is 3249. Okay, so from right side I place the bar, that is 1 in 49, then in 32, then from extreme left, that is 32. So 5 square is 25, that is less than 32. So I have taken divisor as 5. So 5 5s are 25, the remainder is 7. Then I bringing down the 49 into the downwards. Then I double the divisor, that is 10, and put such a number that the multiplication is either less than or the same as the number. So I can multiply 7. I put the 7 and multiply. I got the same result. Okay, so my remainder will be 0. So after getting the remainder as 0, so my quotient is the square root. So that is square root of 3249 is 57. This will be the answer. Okay. So the next bit is bit number VI, that is 1369. Okay, from right side I place a bar first, then 13, that is 3 square is 9, that is less than 13. So I have taken 3 as the first divisor, that is 3 3s are 9. Then remainder will be 4. Then bringing down the 69 into the downwards, that is my new dividend is 469, and double the divisor, that is 6, and put such a number that the multiplication is either less than or equal to this number. So I got the multiplication as 67 multiplied with 67, that is 469. Okay, so the remainder will be 0, and after getting the remainder as 0, so my quotient will be with my answer, that is 37. Okay, so square root of 1369 is 37. Clear? So in this way you can get the square root of the numbers from bit 1 to bit VI of question number 1 in this video. Okay, and in next video we will start from the next bit, that is bit 2I of question number 1. Okay, the remaining 6 bits are discussed in the next video. Clear? So see you. Thank you.